I make bibimbap today. I make bibimbap today. I prepare the ingredients. I prepare the ingredients. I slice the beef. I slice the beef. I slice the beef. I marinate the beef. I marinate the beef. I wash the spinach. I wash the spinach. I blanch the spinach. I blanch the spinach. I cut the carrot. I cut the carrot. I stir-fry the carrot. I stir-fry the carrot. I cut the zucchini. I cut the zucchini. I stir-fry the zucchini. I stir-fry the zucchini. I stir-fry the bean sprouts. I stir-fry the bean sprouts. I fry the egg. I fry the egg. I cook the rice. I cook the rice. I put rice in the bowl. I put rice in the bowl. I arrange the vegetables. I arrange the vegetables. I put the beef on top. I put the beef on top. I add the fried egg. I add the fried egg. I add gochujang sauce. I add gochujang sauce. I drizzle sesame oil. I drizzle sesame oil. I mix everything well. I mix everything well. I eat it while it's hot. I eat it while it's hot. Bibimbap is delicious. Bibimbap is delicious.